What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. These intros are getting cornier and cornier. But anyways, welcome back to another episode. I do want to give a huge thanks to everybody who smacked the crap out of that like button on the last video. We had over 10,000 freaking likes. You guys are insane, so greatly appreciate your faces. But yeah, with that said, let's just dive right in and unbox some stuff, shall we? We have an exciting show for you guys today. Some awesome stuff coming in. All right, so first thing we've got is, we got the EP300 from Corsair. This is a 480 gigabyte M.2 SSD, which is going in a build. I'm not exactly sure which build. Moving on to the envelopes. This is actually a personal purchase. How can I explain this? These are basically temporary body tattoos that girls put on their body for raves and festivals and stuff like that. So we're gonna be going to EDC, very excited for that, and possibly Ultra Miami. So this is not mine, by the way. I promise you, well, no, it's not mine. This is coming from Steel Supplements. Supplements. I did not order any supplements. Okay, looks like we have a shirt. Oh, we have some dope shades. That's pretty dope. Okay, I like that. And we've got some supplements. This one's from Steel Hard AF. Wait, what? Are these enlargement pills? Oh, that smells really bad. This one's a pre-workout kind of powder thing. We got Shredded AF, which is fat loss, gives you energy. And then we got Hard AF. These are penis enlargement pills. It says it right on there, erection formula. Who sent this to me? It just says Steel Supplements. I guess they're a fan of the show. Thank you guys so much for sending these in. How did you know I need these? Let's take a look at the shirt over here. Oh, it's a tank top. Definitely not on drugs. How appropriate, okay. I just realized, you know what, this is probably a really good rave shirt. Those ravers out there probably get the joke behind this, but I might even wear this for EDC, who knows. And these glasses. I don't know about those pills though. But yeah, thank you guys for sending this in, I guess. Low-key, I'm gonna try a few of these tonight, just to see if it works, you know. Why not? Why not experiment? I mean, they sent over free samples. Cut this part of the video, by the way. Yeah. Moving right along, we have something from somewhere. Okay, that was helpful. I've actually seen this at CES, guys. These are white-sleeved accessory cables for building a PC. We got USB 3, USB 2, and even the front panel connectors over here. I promise you guys an all-white build, and that is going inside that. Oh, we are zooming through this episode pretty quickly. This isn't necessarily tech, but I ordered some shoes. Oh, let's check this out. Oh, ugh. Oh, these look so damn cool. So these are the Adidas. Honestly, I don't even know what they're called. I saw them at the store. They look dope AF, and I knew I had to have them, so I placed an order. Honestly, the main reason why I bought these, other than the looks, is because I'm looking for comfortable shoes. And when I tried these on, it's like I was walking on air. Solid purchase, for sure. Okay, I actually requested this from Corsair. How nice of them to send it over. So this is the Corsair K70 RGB MK.2 SE Rapid Fire keyboard with Cherry MX switches. SE stands for Special Edition, by the way. If you guys remember my last setup video I did on the channel, I was actually using a Special Edition white keyboard from Corsair, but the problem with that one is it doesn't have a wrist rest, and that really bothers the crap out of me, and this is why I requested the K70 SE instead. Oh my god, this keyboard looks way nicer too. Oh, Cherry MX Reds, music to my eyes. What? Music to my ears is what I meant to say, but it's such a nice looking keyboard. I wish the frame and the wrist rest was also white, but I'm excited to put this in my setup and take it for a test drive. I also love the fact that they stuck with the dedicated multimedia buttons and the volume knob. So yeah, thank you Corsair for sending this over. So these two boxes came in together. Oh, behold, ladies and gentlemen, I covered this in CS of this year. I think this is their new Gram laptop, the 17-inch. This thing is so massive and so light at the same time. Look at the screen size on this, you guys, and how thin the bezels are. All right, so while the laptop is charging, let's open up the second one, which I'm also assuming is another laptop. Yes, indeed. So this is their 14-inch Gram laptop, and I'm actually going to be doing a review on both of these and comparing the two in an upcoming video. So this is the 14-inch Gram laptop. It's got the i7 8th gen processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of space on an SSD. The cool thing about the 17-inch LG Gram is that it comes in a 15-inch laptop body. However, you get a massive 17-inch IPS screen. You also get a higher resolution, up from 1080p to 2560 by 1600 on an IPS screen. It's not touchscreen, but they did increase the aspect ratio as well. So from 21:9 to 21:10, which kind of gives you more vertical real estate. So I just realized there were like 4 other boxes in the corner over there, so this video might be a little longer than you're used to. So I apologize to those people who prefer shorter videos. All right, this is from Corsair. Let's see what they sent me. Oh my goodness, okay. Yes, yes. More parts for Big Red, yes. So we're gonna be throwing in an extra 960 gigabyte M.2 SSD. We got the MP510. We also got the Vengeance RGB Pro RAM sticks. Right now, Big Red has 32 gigs of RAM. We're gonna bump that up to 64 gigs at 3600 megahertz. Beautiful. And last but not least, we have the NX500. This is a 400 gigabyte NVMe PCIe SSD, which is also going in Big Red. The only thing is I'm gonna be coloring this white so it matches the color scheme. So yeah, very, very stoked. I think this is the next biggest box. Let's check this one out. I wish this arrived before the Frosty build. A lot of you guys have been saying it in the comment section, but that build was unfortunately finished before this was even announced at CES. So this here, ladies and gentlemen, is the H100i RGB Platinum SE. This is an all-white AIO from Corsair. They also threw in a Commander Pro, which is going in Big Red, and this is actually going to be going in the all-white build that I'm planning on inside the 460X RGB case from Corsair, which is sitting right over there. I'm starting to think all the blue tape is from Corsair. Okay. Nothing exciting, just the power supply from Corsair, the AX850. This is going in the all-white build. I'm either going to skin this or paint it in white so it matches the theme. I haven't quite decided yet. 3 more boxes to go. Let's do this. I wonder if my water cooling parts came in today. Oh. Oh, that looks nice. We got some green boxes over here. We got some beautiful Razer gear, the Black Widow Elite mechanical keyboard. We got the Mamba Elite RGB mouse and the Goliathus Extended Chroma RGB mouse pad. I want to open this one up actually real quick. Razer green switches. Oh, the packaging on this is insane. I think this is actually the first ever Razer keyboard I've unboxed on the channel. Oh, this is a really nice looking keyboard. The wrist strap is magnetic, okay. Volume knob up here, got some dedicated multimedia buttons, and the keys, very satisfying. So the reason why Razer is sending me these parts is because I'm gonna be building an epic gaming setup from scratch. Something very similar to like the Wolverine setup that you guys have seen, or maybe the Cell setup. So yeah, they're sending me these parts. I'm gonna be building inside the Lian Li Razer case. It's gonna be water cooled, it's gonna be epic. That's all I can tell you guys for now. I'm actually expecting a few more things from Razer, which maybe I'll unbox in the next episode, we'll see. All right guys, 2 more boxes. We have this massive one from Asus. I always love getting boxes from Asus. I don't know, I can't like wipe the smile off my face. Oh! So we got a few things from ASUS. First up is the ROG Strix Z390i gaming motherboard. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh my lord. The ROG Zenith Extreme Alpha. Oh my god, this thing is a beast. If you guys remember the 1950X I unboxed in the last episode, well, that is going in this bad boy over here. It's gonna be the water-cooled PC inside the Neo case. Oh my god, it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be epic. Last but not least, we can't end the video without at least one GPU unboxing. So there's some of the ROG Strix RTX 2080 Ti, which is also going inside that massive water-cooled build. Last but not least, and I think I know what this is. Oh yeah, this is it, guys. This right here is the MVP box. I should probably stop stabbing the boxes. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Yes, 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 yes. It's here, it's here. All right, there's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm just gonna take everything out of the box and I'll see you guys in a sec. So we have majority of the water cooling parts from EK that are going inside the rebuild of Big Red. We got the new EK Vector RTX 2080 Ti RGB blocks for the GPUs. We have some radiators. I'm not sure exactly which one I'm gonna be using just yet for the case. We do have a monoblock this time around for the ASUS Rampage 6 Extreme motherboard, and some other stuff like the white fittings to match the color scheme. We got some PETG tubing. Of course, it's gonna be hardline. You guys know that. And even some back plates for the GPU, topping it off with solid scarlet red coolant. My current PC is kind of a letdown. There's so many things that went wrong with it and I rushed it out. So it's not really representation of what I can do. I talk so much about being a perfectionist and it doesn't show in that last build, guys. So that's why I'm redoing this, to kind of just redeem myself and my reputation. That's one of the main reasons why I'm doing it. But anyways, I promise you guys it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be the best build on the channel to date. And that wraps up this unboxing episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Dropping a like will let me know to continue to do these on the channel. As always, I'll drop a link to all the parts unboxed down below in case you guys want to check it out. Consider subscribing because I have some epic content planned for you guys, especially some awesome PC builds coming up. I love your faces, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.